for them.
Yes, a very full day for them.
Need to warm up, get out, and then warm up again, race, and then out, stretch. And away they go, and this is the
A final.
final 1,000 meters.
Kayak K1 junior men. So
Strong start from Escudero.
yes, Chile is also there. Alvial in the second position in this start.
Alvial looking quite smooth. But we know that the wind is blowing from the side, and we have to work twice as hard if you are in lane 6, 7, 8, and 9. 250 to go, and that's Nekrasov. He has the best time from the semifinals, 3:34.42. He was the winner of semifinal number 2. Mircea from Hungary. Impressive performance this morning in the kayak double 500 meters. Wants to watch for sure in tomorrow's finals.
It's a tie race in the middle lanes between Nekrasov and Mirsk. Scudero not so good now.
It's falling behind. Nekrasov is first time racing. We have no data from him, not the first time racing, of course, but at least internationally.
And Luca also to the lane 2.
Lane 2, yeah. It's Yakshin, yeah. Silver medalist from the Kayak 4 yesterday. Nekrasov looking good. Mircea, he was the winner last year in the World Championship in the Kayak 4. It was in the crew that won the junior world title with Peter Samu, Marcel Gajdag, and Levente Zabo. And if he wants to win with 250 to go, he has to make his move now because Nekrasov is not slowing down. Watch lane number 2, the 2 individual neutral athletes.
Yes, Yaksim looks having something to say here.
Yes, lane 2, and look at the way he's pedaling, quite smooth.
Yes, very effective.
Mircea now going full throttle. He knows if he wants to win, he needs to go full throttle now. Oh, and Yachkin, Nekrasov, neck and neck. Oh, Nekrasov is falling now behind because Yachkin is looking better. Can he hold on to... Oh, and watch Tate Levy from Canada. Tate Levy from Canada closing the gap to Mircea from Hungary, and it's done. Canada is in third position now. It will be Nekrasov first, second, and Canada.
Oh, what a surprise!
Canada, bronze medal for Canada. Oh, coming from behind, and it's Canada in third position. What a surprise here! Gold for, was it Nekrasov or Yashkin? Was he able to hold it?
Yes.
Whoa, that's impressive.
Let's wait for the replay. Now, with this lot of hours and paying attention, looks like my brain is a little confused. They are both in white. It's time to see again. Now in slow motion.
Let's wait for the official results.
Nekrasov and Yaxim Den. Look at this.
And that's an amazing victory. And for Canada, Tate Levy, you are following the steps of giants, because it's only the third time that Canada was in a podium position in the Kayak 1,000 meters junior, and both of them were with bronze medals. 87, Ren Critchlow, what a legend. And then later in, 87, and then 99, Adam Van Coverden. So this is the results. Ivan Nekrasov first, Igar Yachkin second, and Tate Levy for Canada